Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update Facebook on Android. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. In order to update your Facebook app, first of all, you need to open up your Play Store. After that, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the page. And here you will get to see multiple options. You need to tap on Manage Apps and Device. After that, you will get to see another option that says Updates Available. So tap on it. And here you'll get to see all the apps and games that have updates available on your device. So you can just tap on Update beside it. And as you can see, Facebook is not here, which means my Facebook app is updated to its latest version. Another way you can do it is to go back. And then tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. Now tap to open Facebook. And here, if it's not updated, you'll get to see update instead of open. So all you need to do is tap on update and then your update will get downloaded onto your device. Also, if you don't want to update manually, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap on enable auto update. And that way your app will get updated automatically. So that is how you can update Facebook on Android. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.